welcome back to my channel Cloudy Secret. If you're new here, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Also follow me on Instagram, and let's start with today's video. In today's video, I have created this fun look using only L'Oreal products. I have used one L'Oreal foundation and their Rouge Signature collection of liquid lipsticks to create this whole look. So if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. My base is done here with L'Oreal Infallible Foundation 24-hour matte formula. I'll just dab it on my face first with finger, then I'll use a beauty blender to blend it out. So my base is done. For the face, I'll use the Rouge Signature collection. Here I have selected some shade to do my contour. Here I will use the shade 129 Eyelid to contour my cheeks. I'll just put some dot and just simply blend it out with my beauty blender. It works seamlessly and the effect is really amazing. I'll just blend it out, make sure both the sides are same. Now I will choose to bronze my face with the shade 130 Eye Amaze. I'll just bronze up my forehead a little bit with the help of a beauty blender as well. This way the look seems very natural. For blush, I'll be using 114 I Represent. Please take a tiny dot because it is really pigmented and you don't want to look like a clown. I will blend it with the help of a beauty blender as well, and it's worked fine. For my lips, I have chosen the beautiful shade 121 I Choose. This is a very flattering shade of nude. This is a pinky nude and it looks flattering on most of the skin tone. So I really love this shade, and you can see why I love the shade so much. And the tip of the lipstick is so precise that you can line your lips and fill your lips really easily, and you can see that. For my eyes, I'll use 116 I Explore. This will be going on my crease. This is a easy trick. Just draw a V on with your liquid lipstick applicator and then just blend it into your crease, and it will look amazing. And just make sure both the eyes look similar. And this is an easy trick, and this is my go-to look if I want to do it quickly. And I'll just make sure both eyes look same. And for my lid, I'll use 105 Eye Rule. And yes, my face is looking a bit pink, but it will look good in a bit. I will just put some on my eyelid, 105 Eye Rule, and I'll just blend it with my finger, and it will give a soft pinky smoky eye look, and which will look really fresh, bubbly. And you can actually wear this out on daytime if you love blushed look. For my lower lash line, I'll use 103 I Enjoy, I guess. Yeah. So I'll just take a tiny bit on my finger and apply it directly onto my lower lash line. I'll just take a tiniest amount so that it doesn't show very much pigmented. It will just give a depth to my eye look, and it will look so much more beautiful. As you can see, the whole look came together after doing the lower lash line. How that makeup turned out. This is the full face of only using lipstick. To be very honest, you can put on kajal or a mascara if you want. My look where I have used a foundation and only liquid lipstick. So how do you like the look? Do let me know in the comment section below, and do take up the challenge of doing the full face of makeup with only liquid lipstick.